Why smart creators pay for GPTs. In a world flooded with free AI tools, why are smart creators gladly paying for custom GPTs? Let's find out. Why pay for a GPT when so many AI tools are free? Most people don't want a tool, they want a result. And that's the real reason people pay for GPTs. Not for features, but for the outcomes and for peace of mind. Let's look at driver number one, time and skill barriers. Creating effective AI takes time and technical know-how. Most creators don't have either to spare. They just want results without the complexity. Driver number two, the psychology of simplicity and confidence. A custom GPT offers instant clarity, no learning curve, no guesswork, just expert-built automation that works right out of the box. Let's take a look at comparison free tools versus a custom GPT. Free tools, they're generic, they're unsupported, they're do-it-yourself. A custom GPT, on the other hand, is tailored, supported, and ready to scale your work. Driver number three, outcome-focused buying. Buyers aren't choosing based on features. They're looking for clear, fast outcomes, and custom GPTs deliver. What makes a great GPT worth buying? The best GPTs solve real problems. They embed deep expertise, save time, and come with everything you need to succeed, not just the code. Peace of mind, the ultimate payoff. In the end, people don't buy AI, they buy peace of mind. Your GPT becomes invaluable when it brings clarity, confidence, and results. Ready to get your GPT? Explore our tools, automate smarter, and unlock your next level with a GPT built just for you.